Hey guys, welcome to my channel. In today's video you will come to know how you can easily make the trending transition video of TikTok in just few minutes. So if you haven't subscribed my channel, first of all subscribe it and tap on the bell icon for latest updates. So for this video you have to install this Capcut application from the Play Store. Link is given in the description. As it is already installed here, let's open it. Now tap on the new project and select the picture from gallery on which you want to apply the transition effect and then add it to Capcut. So here you can adjust the duration and then tap on the animation and then select the combo from these. So here are different effects you can apply on your picture, but we are going to find the trending transition effect of TikTok. So its name is the Bisect 2. There are two, Bisect 1 and Bisect 2, but we have to tap on the Bisect 2. Now here you can see the effect has been applied on the picture. Now in last you will find the short clip by the application of Capcut. So if you want to delete it, just tap on it and there is the option of delete and it will be deleted. Now if you want to add audio or any music, just tap on the add audio and tap on the sounds. Select your sounds and you can select any of music from your collection. So here I am selecting one from this collection. You can see now it has been applied on the video. So here the video is ready with its music. Now move towards the top right corner of the mobile phone. Here is the arrow, you just tap on it. So here you have to click on the export and through it you can share the video to gallery or you can directly share this video on the TikTok. So thanks for watching the video, hope it will be beneficial for you. Please like, comment and subscribe the channel and tap on the bell icon for latest updates.